Now we will talk about multiplication. So, most important thing in multiplication is keeping track of place values. So, for example, if we have 3 times 793, there's 4 digits being used, so we start off at the 4, which is the thousands column, and we work one by one. 3 times 7, 3 times 9, 3 times 3. So 3 times 7, that's 21. Since it's bigger than 10, we can start at the 4's column. We do not have it added 0 in front. 21. And now 3 times 9, 27. 27. And now 3 times 3 is 9. So it's 0, 9. So that's the answer, 2,379. It's very quick. Now again, 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 3, 0, 9. Now for something bigger, like 479 times 1,573, these are just random numbers. You work with each number one by one. So 4 times 1, 4 times 5, 4 times 7, 4 times 3, 7 times 1, 7 times 5, 7 times 7, 7 times 3, and so on. So we count how many digits are being used. There's 7, right? So I'm going to move this over until we have 7. And now we start with the first number. 4 times 1, that's 4. So it's less than 10. So it's 0, 0, 4. Add 4 here. 4 times 5, that's 20. And you start here. So 20. 4 times 7, that's 28. 4 times 3, that's 12. And you're done with 4. Now you move on with 7. Start from 6th column. 7 times 1, 0, 7. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 3, 21. Now we work with 9. Start with 5 columns. 0, 9, 45, 63, and 27 is the answer. You read from the biggest, which is 6th column, and that's the, if you count ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s column. So the answer is 756,467. Now we'll talk about dividing. So the example we used in this website was 1088 divided by 8. So 1088, how many numbers are in there? There's 4, right? So we start off at 4. Now we take away from the number of numbers that is being divided by, that we are going to divide, which is 8. How many numbers are in 8? How many digits are in 8? 1. But we also add extra 1. We always add that extra 1. So 4 minus how many numbers in 8 plus 1? So that's 2. Start off at 2. So 1088. If it was divided by 80, then we start off with 4 because 1080 has 4 numbers. 80 has 2 digits, and we take away 2 and then plus that extra 1. So we then take away 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we'll put 1088 here. Now we're using 8, so we put 1088 here. This looks like 10.88 right now, but that'll change. Now when we divide, we always divide. We put the digits 2 places to the left. So here, what are we dividing by? 1. 0, 1. So there's nothing, 8 cannot fit into 0, 1. So move 1 digit over. Now we're not dividing by 0, but 1, 0, which is 10. So 1, 8 fits in 10. Take away 8, and this is what we have left. Now we move on to the next one. There's 288 here. So from here, we're dividing by 28 since we're 2 values from the left. So how many fits? 8 fits into 28. 3, 24. And we have 48 left. So how many 8s fit into 48? 6 fits perfectly. 48. This is the answer, 136. 136. Now on the site, we briefly talk about dividing 2 numbers in the dividend and divisor, and this is extremely difficult to explain. It's better to formulate your own method. Of course, this takes a lot of time and practice. And I'll show you my method right now. So 256 divided by 27. How many digits are in 756, sorry. 756 divided by 27. How many digits are in 756? There's 3. How many digits are in 27? There's 2. 2 plus 1, that's 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. We start from here. This is the 10th column. 756 divided by 27. Now, we look from here and divide not 7, but 75. Since there's 2 digits in the divisor, we look at it 2 digits at a time. So how many 27s fit into 75? 2. That's 54. Take away 54. 216. Now, how many 27s fit in 216? Now, for me, I can do this in my head. I know that 8 times 27 equals 216. But if you can't, then you move to side of abacus. Do 27 times 8 or whatever estimate. 27 times 8. There you go. 216. So put 8 here. We take away 216, and that's the answer. 28.